Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gamitin natin itong Angel Answers Oracle cards para alamin natin kung ano yung magiging gabay, mensahe, advices ng angel mo sa araw na ito, okay? And pwedeng you can think of a question, Pisces, and alamin natin kung ano yung magiging sagot ng angel mo, okay? Pero kung wala naman, it's okay. Panoorin mo lang tong video na ito and alamin natin kung ano yung magiging mensahe niya para sa'yo. Okay? So, reminder lang po na ito ay general reading, Pisces. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede din pong hindi. Okay? And, this is a timeless reading, Pisces. So, kahit anong araw, buwan o taon man to lumabas itong video na ito and mag-resonate po sa sitwasyon nyo, take nyo lang po. Okay? As long as mag-resonate, pag hindi, huwag pong ipilit. Okay? So, ano po yung magiging sagot niyo po sa tanong ni Pisces ngayon or advice, mensahe, gabay niyo po sa kanya sa araw na ito? May nag-flip, trust. You have trust the process, you trust the universe, trust God. Unang-una yan, trust yourself, okay? You have to trust. You have to gain trust, okay? Or, alam mo yun, palakasin pa yung pananalig ni Pisces. Okay? So, pwedeng hindi ko na po siya i-explain pa further. Okay? It depende po kasi kung ano po yung sitwasyon ni Pisces sa nanonood ngayon. Iba-iba po kasi and take nyo na kung ano yung magiging resonate po. Connection sa reading natin ngayon. Recovery. Trust recovery. You can recover financially, Pisces. You can recover physically. You can recover in life. You can recover in your work, in your love life, okay? And in your, kahit ano po, kahit anong aspeto sa buhay, okay? The situation will improve, okay? Recovery, trust, recovery, and the situation will improve, Pisces. You have to trust, okay? Within the next few weeks, remain positive, and within the next few months. Okay. So, pwede meron itong connection sa paghihintay. Okay, pwede meron kang hinihintay ngayon, Pisces. And, alam mo yun, parang, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is maniwala. Okay? Manalig. Everything will fall into place. And, lahat ng yun is magbe-benefit for you. Okay? Makakapag-benefit ka dun. Okay? And you have to trust the process. You have to trust God. You have to trust your angel. You have to trust yourself for you to recover and the situation will improve. Okay? And you have to attract positivity. You have to think positivity, Pisces. You have to think positively, happily, okay? Para yun yung ma-attract mo. Yun yung darating sa'yo. Yun yung lalapit sa'yo. Okay? Try to to avoid thinking negative situations, okay? Yung mga hindi magagandang bagay, wag mong isipin yun, okay? Try mong mag-isip ng mga magagandang bagay, okay? I-claim mo yun, i-claim mo yung energy na yun, and yun yung darating sa'yo. Okay? So, you have to trust recovery, the situation will improve, remain positive, and there is something, Pisces, for the next few weeks or few months, okay? Mayroong connection sa susunod na mga linggo or sa susunod na mga buwan. Okay? Kahit ano man yun, Pisces, depende po yun sa sitwasyon niyo po. Okay? Bottom of the deck is perfect timing. Yes, in God's perfect time, Pisces. In God's perfect time. You have to trust. You have to trust to Him. Okay? So, yun lang po ang gabayan ng angel mo sa araw na ito or pwedeng sagot niya sa tanong niya, sa tanong mo ngayon, okay, sa kanya. Pasensya na po, nabubulol po ako ngayon, okay? Pero naway nagustuhan niyo po ang ating reading. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan, Pisces, na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless!